is for alligator, snapping with a grin. B is for the bear with fuzzy cuddly skin. C is for cat who loves to purr and play. D is for dolphin, splashing through the bay. E is for elephant, big and strong and kind. F is for fox with a clever little mind. G is for giraffe, stretching neck so high. H is for hippo, lounging under sky. I is for iguana, basking in the sun. J is for jaguar, on the jungle run. K is for kangaroo, hopping up and down. L is for lion, wearing a golden crown. M is for monkey, swinging tree to tree. N is for newt, crawling happily. O is for owl, who hoots late at night. P is for penguin, waddling just right. Q is for quail, quick feet on the ground. R is for rabbit, jumping all around. S is for snake, sliding soft and slow. T is for turtle, everywhere they go. U is for unicorn, magical and bright. V is for vulture, soaring out of sight. W is for whale, singing deep below. X is for X-ray fish, glowing in the glow. Y is for yak, fluffy hair galore. Z is for zebra, stripes forever.